custom made. See that? Custom made. It don't come like that. Now foreman, the board itself burn out, and them said them now make parts for them unit anymore. So it's like when you buy these power conditioner, right? Them buy you when you buy them, and if they do damage, they don't have parts to them. So you know what I do? Source my own parts and rebuild it. You see that? I have to rebuild it back because this is where the gauge was. You understand? It come with some little round lights, voltage meter. So I change this, change the switch, the whole board inside burn out. I change out the whole of that and put in everything brand new and, you know, customly made. Yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it. See that? See board there? Yeah. Burn out. And them now have the parts. Them now have the parts sweet, and we can't the rest of something we burn out. We now have the parts, see there? I have to cut it out and build my own thing. Yeah. You don't know man a sound man. You understand? We have to turn our hand and make fashion. And we are yard man, we know how to do a thing. We no fool. Yeah. Out.